Hello. Today I'll be decluttering baby shoes. This is a pile of all my little girl shoes and it is a mess. This chair has just become a little holder of shoes. I need to declutter it. There's a lot of summer stuff in there too I need to clean out. But I have this empty basket after decluttering kids' boots, so I'm gonna put shoes in here. Go from there. Okay. First I'm gonna start taking out stuff I know that doesn't fit her anymore and create a no pile. Alrighty. So, I think this basket's too big. I might use this basket for winter hats and scarves and stuff. I need to find another match to this. I think it's in my car. But it's pretty easy. I'll just keep it in the basket for now and put the basket on the ground so now I can have a little chair to sit in when I'm putting shoes on. Alright. So put the basket right there of all little Marguerite's shoes. Definitely looks a lot better, easier to access, and now we have a little chair we can sit on when we want to put our shoes on. So it's pretty easy, huh? I feel a lot more better. And then I'm gonna put her little Uggs in here. This is just where we're storing the kids' winter boots for now. So put her little Uggs over there. There we go. Oh. And this is my no pile. So that's all the stuff I've decluttered. Pretty much stuff she's outgrown or more summery spring stuff that I'm gonna store upstairs because some of it's still in good shape. I don't need to throw them out or anything. Huh, yeah, quite a bit of a pile that was just clogging up space. Alrighty, well, thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.